Yeah, hi, your good name?
I am Bharati. I am the founder of Agrovits.
Okay. Can you tell us what inspired you to start this agriculture?
Yeah, we have a actual story. Two stories are there. First story is like about nutrition. Okay, I work very heavily in fitness industry. While doing so, I used to see a lot of individuals, they seems to be fit. But when we try to analyze their blood report, all those things, we found that their nutrition profile was very less. For example, of in the range of more than 30. But when we saw the profile, whoever we thought to be very fit, their vitamin D level was like less than 15. Even we saw less than 4 also. What it happens is, because of this, even though you seem fit outside, you will not be able to react in the way that you want to respond. Sometimes it will lead to anxiety, lead to depression, all those things, and you will not be very productive, all those things. So we started looking for answers on how we can address all these things. We found that food matters, and in urban setting we are not getting the food that is rich in nutrient. So we again did a research of how we can address this gap. That time we came to know about the concept of hydroponics. In hydroponics, what we are doing is we are giving the exact amount of nutrients for the plant, and we are what we eat. So when you eat the same plant, you will get an ample amount of nutrient, and then you will be able to stay more productive. Your body will also respond in the way how you want. That is one thing. And also the plants, they grow in a way like a model or an athlete. So they have the ample nutrients. So when you eat that, you also become that kind of plant, and you are staying more productive. So that's how we started this.
Okay, from when you have started this? When was this?
For the last 3 years we are doing this.
Okay, where is your farm actually?
Our farm is currently in Yelahanka, and we also partnered with more than 10 farms in and around Bangalore, so that we have formed a network, and through them we are operating.
Okay, how do school farming community and rooftop farming are contributed to urban sustainability?
Yes, that's a very good question. In this aspect, when we build a community, we will be able to exchange ideas, knowledge, and that will spread to many communities also. So in that way it is helping a lot. We will be able to find like-minded individuals, and we will also able to learn from them a lot. So that's how it is impacting and helping everyone.
So people are more health conscious, and they are more interested also, I think.
Absolutely.
How is the response?
The response is very, very good. If you see, like throughout Bangalore, we are almost giving more than 1,000 kgs of greens every week. Still, I am not able to meet the demand. I am still having demand of more than 1,000 kgs every week. Okay, so people are health conscious. They want healthy produce, is what I see.
Okay, so how do you engage schools and local communities or residents to actively participate in farming project?
That's a very good thing. So for that, we are going in a two-pronged approach. One is through the kind of community meetups and organizing workshops, and we are also organizing our own trainings in such kind of institutes like NGOs, educational institutions like that. So through that also we are helping people to understand these things and helping them to grow.
Okay, how do urban farming practice help address issues like food security and climate change?
Exactly. So food security is one of the very important thing these days. For example, when I travel to my native, I get a lot of vegetables from there. I may be able to get the same thing here also, but why I am getting from there? Same kind of taste, the flavor, or the quality I may not be able to get from in an urban setting. Through hydroponics or through sustainable farming methods, you will be able to get the same quality, flavor, taste, and nutrient-rich food you will be able to get. So using these methods, that's how it is helping food security, everything.
Okay, so and how they can start with rooftop or terrace gardening?
Yes, so see, this like start doing. We can keep seeing lot of videos, or we can keep listening from things, but start somewhere. So do something. Go in the learning curve. For example, we started in January. Myself, my partner, we started in January. We started learning. We did some research in January. We did some learning in training in February. We did ourselves a POC in March, and April, May we searched for farms, and June we started. So it's all about execution. Learn by execution.
So what is the differentiate between the farmers, what they grow, and the vegetables which we grow on the rooftop or terrace gardening?
Okay. So what farmers grow is like it's throughout there it's based on the rare practices what they are growing, and it's kind of a very mass it is coming. But when we grow at our terrace or something, na, we will be growing like what we exactly want, how we want. So that is the main difference. And here when in urban cities or rooftop, when we grow what we want, no, that helps farmers also in a way, like they will also able to grow accordingly to the needs where all it is needed. So in that way it is helping both, I'm saying.
Okay. So what all things we can grow? Anything or part of things like only tomatoes, vegetables or something like that, or anything
In a
can be
rooftop
grown?
garden, you can grow basically vegetables, leafy greens, and some fruits. These all things you can grow easily. But the main staple food like rice or wheat, all those things may be a little bit difficult. That the farmers can help us.
Okay. So, what is your vision for the future of urban agriculture in our city, and how can people contribute?
For our vision is to like our generation and next generation should have adequate nutrition. We are working towards UN Sustainable Development Goal Zero Hunger. We want that to make it as a reality.
Okay. Your one sentence message to the viewers of Bengaluru Highlights you would like to give?
Yes, message would be like eat well, sleep well, be active. That's it.
Okay. Thank you.